This is the weather forecast video for Saturday, November the 26th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system over the middle part of the country, producing some showers from Minnesota and Wisconsin southwestward down into Texas, and another storm system about ready to move into the Pacific Northwest with some more rain and mountain snow in that area. Here's the watch warning map from just before midnight. Some wind advisories and high wind warnings from the Dakotas through the Plain States into Texas. This includes western Iowa, some winter weather issues over the arrowhead of Minnesota, and some issues also in the Washington Cascades. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days. This is through Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock. Shows from about nothing over western Iowa to upwards of a quarter to a half an inch of precipitation over the eastern counties, and this is mainly with the rain this morning. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 6 p.m. this evening. You can see the trough over the center part of the country with the storm system moving through, with a ridge developing over the desert southwest. At the surface, there's the front moving in, or moving out, the cold air moving in. And most of the precipitation should be over before any of it could switch to snow, and if there is any snow, it'll be very little, if any. By Sunday, clouds will be decreasing, the sun will be coming back out, but unfortunately the warm air is not coming back. Temperatures will be into the 30s to low 40s. We head to Monday. There's the upper level of low again, back on the forecast, but still well to our south and east. There could be a few high clouds over southeast Iowa, otherwise temperatures will be in the 40s, even into Tuesday. Temperatures will still be quite cool with a northerly breeze as the system begins to lift out into the eastern Great Lakes in New England. Heading into Wednesday, to the middle of the week, high pressure finally begins to move away. Temperatures begin to warm with southwesterly winds, and temperatures will climb back into the mid to upper 40s. We head to Thursday. Here comes another system, albeit it'll be mainly a wind shift, but it's going to bring down more cold air, and this could be quite cold air. Even heading into Friday, we could see highs likely into the 30s, maybe even cooler, and lows possibly down into the 20s, maybe even some teens. We'll have to see. We head to next Saturday. This is the 3rd of December. You can see a bit of a split flow. The main jet stream still slightly to our north, but unfortunately it's still coming out of Canada, which means we're still in the cold air and we're still in dry air, while there's some precipitation over Texas and New Mexico at that time. We head further into the month of December. Here's the 7th. The main storm track still to our north with a few disturbances to our west, but as you can see, there's not much moisture with those disturbances, so we continue to stay dry while some lake effect snow is possible over the eastern Great Lakes. And we head to the end of the forecast on the 11th. Still fairly quiet across the country, with the flow coming in from the west with another flow over the southern tier. With that, some rain to the south, some snow into Canada, and we're still dry and tranquil across the area. Now time for the weekend football forecast. Thank you for watching the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.